Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to share with you 3 easy ways to take screenshots on your Windows 11 PC. Now guys, the first way how to take screenshot on your Windows 11 PC is by utilizing the function key along with print screen. Now it depending on which computer you're using. If you're using a full-size keyboard and you can locate a print screen button on your keyboard, then you want to go ahead and find that button and you want to go ahead and press it. Now if you press that button, you should be able to take a screenshot and you can easily open up whatever you want, whether it's a Paint document or wherever you want to paste that screenshot, you'll be able to paste it, and also you'll be able to save that. Right, this next way, if you're using something like your laptop, you can check if you have a print screen option there on your keyboard, or if not, you can check your function keys at the top, and these are the numbers and icons that are at the top of your keyboard set right across from the escape button. So from the escape, all those buttons at the top, they're right across from the escape, all across on the top, you will find those function keys. Now, which one of these would be the print screen? Now, normally in order to utilize those function keys, you will also find a FN button on your keyboard. So if you find a FN button on your keyboard, it means function, and you can press it, and you can also press the button on your keyboard to do it. So for example, on my keyboard, I'm looking for something that says either a picture, or I'm looking for something that shows like a cut or a scissors or something like that, that would somehow identify like you're trying to take a screenshot. So on my keyboard, that would be the scissors and the cutout, which means print screen. So I need to use the function key in order to activate that. So function key, and basically press the F6. That's where it is. And as you can see, it allows me to take a screenshot here, or let's say cut out whatever I want. Now, once you take that screenshot here, guys, you're wondering where does this screenshot is stored. And I'm going to get to that a bit later. Now, for the second option, guys, how to take a screenshot on your PC is by simply go ahead and press the Windows key and Shift key plus S, and it will somewhat open up that same print screen option again, and you will be able to take a second screenshot with that. So if you're not able to identify your screenshot, which is your function key and the button to use on your keyboard to take that print screen, then you can use the second option, which is basically your Windows key, Shift, and also together with the S button on your keyboard. All three of them together, and then that will also allow you to take a screenshot. Now, the next and final way that I want to mention to you how to take a screenshot on your Windows PC is by searching for an application that is there by the name of Snipping Tool. So click the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Snipping Tool, and you can go ahead and open up this Snipping Tool. And as you can see here, it allows you to take a screenshot. Now I'm going to bring to you a secret as to why I'm not going to be able to open up this application. Because this Snipping Tool also allows you to record your screen. And the secret, guys, I am currently using the Snipping Tool to record my screen in this video here. So now you know my secret to how I use to screen record my Windows tutorial and always tutorial for you, because Snipping Tool is a very powerful tool that you can find on the Windows PC that not only allows you to take a screenshot, but also allows you to record your screen with this tool, and it also accepts audio as well, so you can record right into your computer. So how amazing is that? So you can utilize these three options, guys, as I shared with you: function key, and also Windows key, Shift and S, and of course use the Snipping Tool as well to take a screenshot on your computer. Now once you do that, guys, where do you find that? Now, in order to find where these actually stored, you want to open up your File Explorer and go to Photos. Now inside your photos, you will find the screenshot folder here. You can open it, and this is where those screenshots are stored. So if I open them, you can see that this was the first one and this was the second one. And if you so desire want to use a Snipping Tool, you can manually choose where you want to save it. So you can just simply go ahead and open the Snipping Tool, select the camera option, not the recording one, but select the camera option, then do your snipping or do your screenshot wherever you want, click the save button on the upper right hand side and choose where you want to save it, right? So these are the 3 ways how you can easily go ahead and take a screenshot on your Windows PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.